so angry, Moby. Two bullies are causing trouble on the playground. What is bullying? Bullying happens when a person says or does hurtful things over and over again. Bullying happens when someone makes fun of someone, hits, pushes, or touches someone in a way that's not welcome, leaves someone out of games and activities, breaks or takes someone else's belongings, sends scary or mean messages to someone, or spreads hurtful rumors or information about someone that might not be true. Bullying can make someone feel scared or hurt. What should you do if you're being bullied? Well, you shouldn't feel embarrassed if you're being bullied. Many kids get bullied, so you're not alone. You should tell an adult if you're being mistreated. You're not a tattletale if you tell an adult about someone that's hurting you or other kids. If it feels safe, you can stand up to a bully. No, Moby, you should not fight. You should use words to tell the bully to stop. A bully wants to see you get upset, so stay calm and confident. You can also avoid the bully and stay away from him or her. Most bullies won't cause trouble if you've got friends around. What should you do if you see someone getting bullied? Some kids who get bullied are too scared to tell an adult. You can help them by telling an adult yourself. Tell the adult exactly what happened, and tell where and when it happened too. Most adults will be very glad you told them because they want everyone to be safe. If it feels safe, you can stand up to the bully for your friend. Other friends can join you and tell the bully to stop. Remember, don't use your fists. Bullies who realize that being a bully isn't cool might stop. If you see someone getting bullied, be a good friend. Invite him or her to do things together and show that you care. But how can you avoid being a bully? You should treat people with respect. And treat people the way you want to be treated. Imagine how you'd feel if someone called you a name or mistreated you. It doesn't feel good to make someone feel bad. It's okay to get angry, but it's not okay to hurt people because you're angry. Calm yourself down before you say or do something hurtful. You can take a deep breath or think about a happy memory. Take a walk or exercise and burn off some energy. Later, you'll be ready to explain how you feel and find a way to solve the problem together. If you act respectfully, you can avoid being a bully. How should you act when you're on the internet? A cyberbully is a person who bullies online. A cyberbully might send scary or mean messages, emails, or texts. A cyberbully might spread bad rumors or send photos of someone to other people without permission. Never answer a cyberbully's message. Just ignore them. And show the message to an adult. If you're mad at someone, you shouldn't send a mean message. Take time to calm down first. Anything that you post online could wind up being shared with lots of people. Only say things online that you would feel comfortable saying to someone face to face. I'm a lot calmer now, Moby. Let's go help. I think they'll leave them alone now, Moby.